This is the video I made last week warning you guys about 6 stocks that I was selling. Okay, Microsoft was trading at $294, Facebook was trading at $357, Amazon was trading at $3,335, and Apple was trading at $143, while Google was trading at $2,791 last week. That I was warning you guys that I believe these 6 stocks, FANGs, were going to go down. Now, going back to my chart, this is the present situation of FANGs right now. Okay, I mean, you guys can easily see Apple is still going down. If I make it bigger, you can see the dailies of Apple went down lower today. Okay, if you take a look at Facebook, it is even performing much more horrible than the rest. Okay, this is Facebook right now, and Amazon is also going down. Okay, I'm not trying to say that I told you so, but you know, I warned you guys that I believe the market was about to go down because technically the support was broken. This is Google, and you guys can easily see that there is a possibility that the market is going to rebound tomorrow, but at least, you know, we are still in this downtrend, and you guys have to be aware of what is going on generally with the market. So in this video, we are going to be talking about why the stock market went down today. This is the one-day performance of the entire stock market. Okay, you guys can see Microsoft is down 3%, Apple is down, Google is down, Facebook, almost all of these tech stocks are down right now. Even financials are somehow down. The only place where the money is moving right now can be easily spotted, okay, a little bit into healthcare, I believe, because of the, you know, third shot that is coming up very soon. That's why Johnson & Johnson perhaps is up, and energy sector is where the money is moving into, should in case you guys are wondering where the money is moving into. I'm still going to make an entire video, you know, letting you guys know where the money is moving into, which stocks, because you don't need to just put money into the energy sector. I mean, you have to be careful in what kind of company you put your money into. So this is the situation of things, and on diagnostic research, this is where you can find Bionano Genomics right here. Let me see if I can find it because it is very tiny. Okay, this is PACBO. I believe Bngo should be somewhere under PACBO. Okay, I think yeah, that is Bngo. So Bngo is down, you know, minus 0.81% right now. The stock is, you know, closing. I think the market is still open. It's going to close in the next 5 minutes. So Bngo is down, you know, presently at $5.5, I believe. Not really a big deal. So this is what is happening with the stock market right now. Now I'm going to show you guys why the stock market went down today and why I bought the dip and which stock I added to in my position. What's up, investors? My name is Dayo. Welcome to Frunkla Investment, where I talk about Bngo most of the time, but from time to time I try to talk about something else. Okay, like for example, in this video right here that I posted about 8 hours ago, just about 100 views, I spoke about a stock that broke out today, and tomorrow I believe the rally should continue. And of course, in this video, I want to show you guys where the money is moving into in this 100x stocks to buy today. I'm going to tell you guys, I'm still going to make another video, you know, the part 2 of this video, where I'm going to be showing you guys some stocks, about 15 stocks that I believe the money is going to be moving into next. Okay, let's get to it. Alright guys, so for those of you wondering why the stock market went down today, the first reason I believe is because of the 10-year yields. You know, it used to be at 1.30%, but today it's jumped to 1.56%. That is one of the reasons why Nasdaq, you know, almost of all the stocks went down, even though technically I already spotted that there has been a crack on the support. You know, all these FANG stocks, Apple, Amazon, Facebook, Google, they were already below support level, and I was expecting them to go lower. I want to add to my FANGs. I want to add FANGs to my portfolio because right now I am out of FANGs completely. I want to add them to my portfolio, but I'm still waiting, you know, for them to find a good bottom and to be cheaper, because in my opinion, they are still much more, you know, a little bit expensive right now, even though if they are solid companies. So another thing that I believe caused a lot of chaos today to the stock market is because of the, you know, debt ceiling. Okay, the debt ceiling is, you know, they are trying to debate it in America right now. Like Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen, you know, she told House Speaker Nancy Pelosi that Congress has just under 3 weeks to address the looming debt ceiling and avoid near certain economic calamity. So they have to increase the debt ceiling. You guys know that America is run on debt, okay? I mean, not just America, most of our economies right now are basically run on debt, okay? That's why I believe most people are investing in cryptocurrency right now, you know, buying Bitcoin, Ethereum, and so on and so forth, because they don't trust fiat currency anymore. The debt is crazy. If you hold fiat currency in the next 10 years, the value is going to keep dropping, okay? So last but not the least, this is a news from Yahoo Finance that, you know, most of I believe spoke completely about what is going on today, and the title says stock market news live update, stock extend losses, Nasdaq sinks as treasury yields climb. You know, like I already showed you guys, the Nasdaq, a proxy for technology and good stocks, underperformed against the other two major stocks indexes, dropping more than 2%. Both the S&P 500 and Dow also fell by more than 1%. A new disappointing report on consumer confidence in September added to the risk-off mood in markets, with a conference board's closely watched consumer confidence index dropping to the lowest level since February as concern over the corona, you know, lingered, the C19 virus. And let me see if, okay, so this another one. Federal Reserve Chair Jeremy Powell and Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen began testifying before the Senate Banking Committee Tuesday morning about the Fed and Treasury's responses to the pandemic. In prepared remarks, Yellen addressed the ongoing debt ceiling debate, reiterating her concern over the negative implications to the U.S. economy should lawmakers fail to take action. So I think they have till October 15, okay, to address the debt ceiling. So you guys have to watch out. I believe that is going to be driving the market crazy, you know, until then, until they increase it a little bit. So let me see if I can find something else to share with you guys. I think that's all I can find for now in this article. So yeah. Now back to what happened today. I'm just going to refresh this a little bit. So this is Bionano Genomics. The market just closed about 1 minute ago. You guys can see we came down like, you know, 1.44% today. We closed the day at $5.46. The market cap is more or less the same, $1.5 billion. I mean, you literally don't even have to worry anymore about what is going on with Bngo right now until we see a massive move, okay? There was no volume today, 8.6 million. I mean, a little bit, you know, not really bad, but, you know, not really enough to push the stock price higher or, you know, even lower. So I think that's all. There is no, you know, no press release today. That's all that happened with Bngo today, more or less. Now a quick look at the technical analysis, the price action, okay, because, you know, I believe tomorrow is the last let me see, September 28th. So we have 2 days left before this, you know, quarter is going to be over. You know, we have 2 days. We have Wednesday and Thursday, and then the third quarter is going to be over. So I believe Bngo, you know, next month they have to come out and tell us when the earning report is going to, you know, be. And you guys know that whenever they announce the earnings report, the stock price always go higher somehow. I mean, I don't know why, but somehow investors love it whenever Bngo announces the earnings report date, okay? Whenever they announce the date, the stock price always go higher, at least 6 to 7%. So maybe, you know, some of them are still waiting for that announcement. So this is what happened today with the stock price. I'm going to move this a little bit to somewhere so that we can see the candlestick. So I mean, nothing really significant happened today. You guys can see it still looks like we are still bullish. We have to wait and see where the price is going to open tomorrow. Hopefully, you know, Nasdaq is going to correct to the, you know, upside so that, you know, stocks can open higher tomorrow, and then we can continue the uptrend. But right now I don't see anything wrong with the stock price. Fundamentally everything is still good. So yeah. Now to talk about the stock that I added today, I added to my position in Alibaba, because as you guys can see, the market was down today, but somehow Alibaba managed to close green, okay, 1.54%, okay. Alibaba closed green today, and that's why I added to my position. I mean, no other reason. You know, I've been buying Alibaba since $144, you know, while nobody wanted to buy the stock. Last week I started to buy, I think on Friday or so, I started to buy Alibaba heavily. So I added to my position of Alibaba today because I realized it didn't go down while most of all these fangs were going down. So I mean, yeah. All right, I believe that's where I'm going to end this video. If this is your first time on this channel, if you enjoy my content, remember to subscribe and smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm to share this video with other, you know, retail investors and, you know, other members of this channel. Thanks guys for your time. I appreciate all you guys. I remain your boy Dayo. See you in the next video. Have a wonderful day guys. Ciao ciao.